god, I look such a mess. I look like a wreck, but it's okay. So he's got welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you barefaced, very not cute, okay? But it is, what day is it? It is October 24th, and I literally just got back from the airport maybe like an hour ago, and I have a lot of stuff to do today. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I went to Toronto for a week to visit my family. I just got back. I didn't vlog down there just because I wanted to really like live in the moment, you know, and just spend some time with the family. So I didn't vlog, so yeah. But I have a lot to do today. It's like 2:30 here in the afternoon. So I have to like unpack, clean up my room. So I thought I'd do like a little day in my life because I have quite a bit of things to do. I'm gonna, you know, bring you guys along for that because I thought it'd be interesting. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys want to see what I do in my daily life. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. But yeah, I just showered and I want to put a mask in my hair because I haven't done a mask since I've been gone. So I'm gonna do one because I've been straightening my hair a lot. So if anyone's wondering what I use the Shea Moisture Silicone Free Miracle Mask. It's this. It has like a pink lid. This is what I use. And I like it. I think it makes my hair soft and shiny. So if you're wondering what I use, it's what I use. I'm gonna put a lot in, and I'm gonna let this marinate all night, all day, till tonight, and then I'll wash it out. We're just gonna high bun this baby like that. And now I look like an egg. Coolio Dulio. Alright. I'm gonna leave that in my hair probably for the rest of the day. And we're gonna go do some other stuff. I don't know what that is. So we're going to clean my room. I have unpacking to do because I never, you know, yeah. And I have even more clothes to put away, but my mom is currently washing it for me, so love you, Mom. But I'm going to clean up my room. I have some packages to unpack because I got some PR packages from some companies for some videos I have to do. So I'm gonna unbox those and, you know, show you guys some of the items. So yeah, okay. So currently my room is looking like this. And I have a whole bunch of packages there, so just ignore my face, okay? I am breaking out a little bit from the masks, but yeah, I need to clean this up and pack these away, and then I need to open up these boxes and see what's inside of them. Some of them I did get myself, but yeah, we're going to open it. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this. I don't even know who this is from. Okay. So I got this package. It's from Eyebrow Skin, a revitalizing serum. It's with cannabis stevia seed oil. Okay. So I got this. Thank you to Eyebrow. I have no idea what this is. Is it for your, I'm guessing it's for your face, obviously. Alright. And then they came with a little cute Ziploc bag. Thanks. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to try this out. Thank you, Eyebrow. I'll link everything in the description bar. I don't know what any of this is. Okay, I'm using an eyebrow razor blade. I think this is, oh, this is from Ana Luisa. It's like a jewelry company that I work with. Ooh, these are cute. You guys will see these items in a video. So, I don't know what I ordered. What is this? Oh, this is my dad's glasses. What is this? This is my dad's too. Alright, I got something else from Amazon. Obviously, I have an addiction. Oh, what the hell? Whose big feet are these for? Bruh! So I got shoe guards for my sneakers because I was like, I don't want to, oh, they bend, never mind. I didn't want my Jordans and Air Forces to crease, so I got these shoe guards for me and my brother. I guess they'll work. They bend, so. I kind of have big feet. I'm a size 8.5. Oh, this is my merch. This is from Fashion Nova. If you guys don't know, I work with Fashion Nova and I like come out with a video with them every month. It's a sponsorship, so. Yeah, oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this. What?
Nice.
Oh my god, what? This is so nice.
Wow.
What the hell? Are you sure this was for me?
Your name's on there.
Okay, Fashion Nova, y'all snapped. Oh my god, look at this packaging.
Nice.
Oh my god.
This
This is so cute. It says Nova Kids by Fashion Nova. They did such cute packaging. What?
Nice.
They even gave me stickers and a coloring book. Are you kidding
They
me?
put crayons in for you too.
Girl, where's the crayons at? Stop.
Oh.
Girl really came through with the packaging. This is so cute. Thank you, Fashion Nova. This is so nice. This is so cool. Look at the pack.
That is so cute. That's cute.
Good job on the PR, Fashion Nova.
Yes.
I'm gonna post this on my Instagram. I'm gonna open these off camera, so you guys will just have to wait for the video to come out, which will probably be next week sometime, or the week after next week, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm kind of hungry. It's like 3 o'clock now, and I haven't finished cleaning my room. I haven't even started cleaning my room. I literally just unpackaged it. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some food. Yeah. So I'm gonna make this cauliflower. They're like veggie tater tots basically, and these are my favorite things to eat. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and then wait for them to cook and then eat it. Okay, so let's go upstairs now and actually clean my room. Oh, actually, I want water. I look so tired.
To leave it all behind. Should I change my mind? You say you can make it right by asking me to stay, baby, but clearly our heads are stuck in the sky now, spinning in circles, we're bouncing. No, shouldn't make so many plans. Not sure we ever got a chance to give it everything we had, but hold on. Oh, my thoughts are overloaded. I think I need a moment. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Need a better motive, and you don't even know it. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Some things just can't be changed. But some things just can't be changed. Wish these memories would just fade into the night cloud. is nobody else. But maybe I'm running away.